Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all the happy mothers out there. 2:21 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 5/12/2019. Booking Holdings is the real name of it for many years was Priceline. But listen, they came out, they missed their earnings report, and they did. They did miss. We went from 1694 straight up here, and this is a daily chart. So they reported earnings on Thursday night, and then they missed by 9 cents and they got it even lower. But the stock rallied up on Friday to 18. Stock rallied up to 1859, 166-point move up on a bad earnings report. Never fight the trend, just go along with it. I'm now going to show what a daily chart, from a daily chart to a weekly chart over here, and whatnot. And we can clearly see that this trend line that I drew here, this is that weekly downside move. And it was below 1700. And they ran it up 166 points on a bad move. Here's what happens other big times. It goes down just the opposite way. When they miss a report like they did, you don't see a 166 point move. Never fight the trend. I'm going to show the call chart and the price action. Friday's option expiration, $1,840 call, which was super up and out of the money, and that was down at $4.50. Prior to going into the earnings, these contracts, when Priceline BKNG went and dropped down to the all-time lows, reporting earnings on Thursday night, they went all the way from exactly $38 down here to $7 and $4.50. They rallied up. That was a huge move on the call side of the market. It's a call side. It was an 1840 call up and out of the money on BKNG. I have an $1,825 call chart that expires May 17th. Check it out. When BKNG fell to all-time lows on Thursday night, you could have got in these at $9 with us, and they went all the way up to $30. Yes, they did. And remember, I'm going to read you the report and how crappy it really was. Right here you can see that we hit a low on Thursday going in to the earnings, 1694. We rally up to 1860, 166-point rally. They missed by 9 cents. Not only did they miss, look at this. Misses on revs, guides inline revs below consensus. Room nights beat expectations. So what? This is not a good report at all. And, other times when BKG does this, they drop $200. So here's the actual earnings report. And I just want to title this as Never Fight the Trend. Go with it. And we had a big rally on Friday, options expiration on BKNG. Low 1694. They rallied it up to Friday and during the options expiration to 1860 plus 166 point rally. Booking Holdings misses by what? 9 cents. And they did. Apologize. I'm not sure if this came in, but listen, we went down to 1694 on Thursday. The report misses by 9 cents. They rallied it to 1860 on Friday, option expiration, a grand slam, a 166-point rally. Now, their earnings were not good. They missed. Inline revs below consensus. There's nothing good about that. That's why you never fight the trend. And you just take it for what it was going to go. They missed, and here's the whole report. So, once again, we're going to start looking at getting on the put side of BKNG. So, is it possible to take a real crappy earnings report like this and get a big rally? I don't think I've seen that ever happen in BKNG, but it did happen on Friday with the price action volatility, and you can see the document. Again, I do apologize, but listen, this was a home run, man, off a bad earnings report, which we call the call chart of the 1825. And look at that big move, right up to $30. Yes, I do apologize if that last document wasn't in there right away. I want to show that this big downside move was on Thursday night when they reported the quarterly earnings at 1694. That shot it all the way up to 1831 in after hours. On Friday, we went from 16 or 1764 straight up to 1860, and we did. That started with the gap, volatility pullback, and they run that baby up to a lower high than what you see here right now. This is the $1,825 call chart on what? BKNG. This is the stop symbol. That last one I showed was at 1825 call, and you can make a lot of money. Get in the free 5-day trial. Start it today.